The Amrit Bharat Station Redevelopment Program is progressing slowly in Karnataka, with only 12 of the 61 identified railway stations completed so far. The figures were revealed by the Union Government in Rajya Sabha reply to a question raised by MP Mansoor Ali Khan. This means less than 20% of the targeted stations in Karnataka have been completed. The national picture is similar. Of the 1,340 stations announced for redevelopment across India, only 261 have been completed. That is just 19.5%, leaving nearly 4 out of 5 stations unfinished despite the scheme being announced in 2023. Khan said repeated announcements and foundation stone ceremonies had created expectations among the public. But the latest figures presented in Parliament showed that actual completion remained far behind the ambitious targets. He also raised concerns over transparency in the implementation of the scheme. Khan said the government did not provide station-wise details on project costs, contract award dates, and year-wise progress, despite specific questions seeking this information. He argued that public claims on station redevelopment must be matched by timely execution and transparent disclosure of progress.